Hey, we're leaving in 10. You ready?
Huh? Oh, yeah?
Okay, shorts. 2 pairs should be fine for a weekend. These summer, so a couple of t-shirts. 2 of those. But it might be cold. Maybe a jacket. But then it might be really cold. Maybe some long pants. 1 should be fine. Although maybe I don't want jeans. A light pair of pants. The leggings are perfect. There. Maybe a dress. You never know, you might get one of those spring days. What else? Ooh, underwear. I'm there for 2 days, so 12 pairs will be fine. And then 1 bra will be fine. Oh, shoes. Well, I've got the pink, the purple. I've got the beige one. I've got the orange. Maybe 4 pairs of shoes. And a pair of thongs. What am I going to do to entertain myself? Ooh! Just put that there. And maybe some light reading. 5 should be enough. That might do for the weekend. Oh, and I can't forget borrow. Time to go. Yeah. You realize we're only going for the weekend, right? Obviously. Okay, come on.